You asked, how to divide 3117 by 3 using the long division method. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Bring down 1, making 11. 11 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 11 minus 9 equals 2. Bring down 7, making 27. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. 27 minus 27 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1039.